Hi friends, it's Mr. Jason from the Middletown Free Library in Delaware County, Pennsylvania, here to do a origami tutorial with you. I'll show you how to make a really cool little tumbler. It's weighted on the one side, so if you just give a little tap, it tumbles over. All right. So you're going to need a square piece of paper. If you have origami paper, great. If not, you can make a square piece of paper out of a piece of copier paper. What you're going to do is take your square paper, if you're using origami paper, white side up. You're going to take your paper and you're going to fold it in half, just like that. Unfold it and fold it in half the other way, like that. So now we have a crisscross creases right in the middle. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take two opposite edges and fold them into the middle of the paper. All right, just like that. Now you're going to unfold one of the sides, open it up like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to fold the four corners in at a diagonal along either the crease there or the edge over here. All right, very good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take the outer edges and we're going to fold them in along the edges of the triangles we just folded down. So it'll be along the crease on the one side or the color edge on the other side, just like that. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it down just like so. And this one just like that as well, right to the middle there. All right, and open it up. Now you want the side that's weighted to be on the top, all right? And so when you give a little push, it'll tumble over. If you try it the other way, it doesn't work. All right, so you want the weighted side up top. Ta-da! You might even be able to make a domino effect. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Almost. All right, friends. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. And it's really easy to make and a lot of fun to play with while you're inside during the summer. Bye, friends. Take care.